Ever wonder why a bicycle doesn't fall over when it's moving? It feels like magic, but it's pure physics. When you ride, the spinning wheels create gyroscopic forces that keep the bike upright. It's the same principle that helps a spinning top stay balanced. And there's more. When you turn the handlebars, the bike leans automatically, thanks to centripetal force and inertia. Even if you stop steering, the wheels will self-correct for a moment, keeping you up. That's why balancing a moving bike feels effortless, but standing still is almost impossible. So next time you ride, remember, you're using invisible physics to defy gravity.